Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner. Today I have got an unboxing from Diamond Art Club. But before I get into this, I just wanted to say that I hope everybody had a great holiday Christmas. Hope everybody had a great Christmas, a good New Year's, and I also want to thank everyone for subscribing, for all your concern about my husband. He's doing good. We still have to go, and he's got a doctor's appointment this month, and we'll know more then on what they're going to do. And also for everyone who wished me a happy birthday. My birthday was New Year's Eve. And I just want to say thank you to those who wished me a happy birthday. So this kit and one other I got right after, I think it was Thanksgiving. It was not a Black Friday deal, but it was in that week. I think I actually got this on that Monday after Thanksgiving. Anyway, what it was there was a link that I seen that was for a GMA, the TV show news thing, GMA. Anyway, they were having some kind of special. I did not catch the program, but it was a big, huge discount on some of Diamond Art Club's canvases. So I jumped on there and I actually bought two, and I'm going to do one unboxing today, and then I will post the other one in a few days, but it was a huge discount. Now, this canvas, well, I'll just show you. Of course, it's Diamond Art Club, and it is a round, but it is the Jules and Vern from Myka Jelina. Of course, it's Myka Jelina. She is my favorite artist, but this was one of the ones, I've had this on my wish list for a minute, but this was one of the ones that was in with the GMA discount. Now, I do believe that Diamond Art Club has discontinued the Jules and Vern. So I don't know if that's why it was on the GMA thing or what. But anyway, doesn't matter. I got the Jules and Vern, and it was, I don't remember what it was, but it was a large discount on these certain canvases. It wasn't all of the canvases on the website. It was just certain ones. So we're going to open this up. I've had these. Like I said, I ordered them. I do believe it was that Monday after Thanksgiving. And I got them. I think it took about 2 weeks to get them in the mail, but I've been holding on to them for a minute. So, I mean, I've had them for a while. So, I'm going to bring y'all down just a little so that y'all can see. All right. So, it is a round because of the circle and because of the pink stripe. Now, on the box, it does show you all the instructions on how to diamond paint. It shows your kit contents. And then, you know, everything else that comes on this box. So, let me get this open. And like I said, I've wanted this kit for a minute because I think it's really, really, really cute. Very cute kit. Alright, that is all that is in the box. So I'm going to set that to the side. So, now, I do know that this is an older kit. as far as it's been on Diamond Art Club's website for a very, very, very long time. And like I said, it has been discounted and I do believe discontinued on their website. I'm like 90% sure of that. So anyway, you get your little sticker, which has your Jules and Vern. That's your title. It's by Myka Jelina. It is a 22 by 22 inch, which is a 56 by 56 centimeter, and it is round. Okay. Your toolkit, it's just the regular toolkit. This is not the new toolkits. So in the, I guess you would call the old toolkit, it comes with a whole bunch of baggies. You get a whole wad of baggies. And y'all, you're going to have to forgive me. I've been really slack on my videos, so every video I'm always nervous in it anyway, but it seems like if I wait too long to do a video, it's like doing my very first one, so nerves are a little blah. So anyway, it comes with the clear boat with the spout. It comes with your 2 heart waxes, your pen, your squishy, and a 4-placer, which these are the good 4-placers because they're the thin white 4-placers. Those are my favorite. So that is your kit for a round diamond painting, but it's the old kit. So this is the old toolkit. All right. Now, hopefully, I have enough room on this desk. I love my desk, but I have found that it is a pain in the butt when you try to do an unboxing. There's just not enough room. All right. So, whoop, and I'm knocking everything off. Like I said, not enough room. All right. So, this is a poured glue, so I can, if it will cooperate with me, I can round it out going the opposite way so that I can get a little bit straighter, but it's not wanting to cooperate. Okay, finally. All right. So, she's not the biggest one that they have, but she's not the smallest either. All right. I dropped the drills. All right. So, you get the step-by-step instructions, which has your thank you, your tips and tricks, your step-by-step on how to diamond paint, and your thank you code for, I think it's what, 10% off? I think. Anyway, you get that with all of them. And then you get your big sticker, which has the name of your canvas, which is Jules and Vern, and it's by Myka Jelina. It has your start date, your end date, your picture of your canvas, your size, shape, all that good stuff. And then your color key. And each one of these are individually cut so that you can put them on your baggies or your containers, however you do it. And it looks like this has got 1 AB, which is 141. So, I'll bring this up. You can see the colors. And all of these are extra stickers in case you need them for something. Okay, and it has 38 colors in it. All right, so let's go ahead, open these up and look and see what we got. I wonder how many strands. 3. Oh, geez. Okay. So, well, here's the AB. 141. And it looks like it's, well, it's kind of a white. So, we'll just run through these real quick. And I know the Jules and Vern, like I said, it's an older kit. But she's so cute. And just to be honest, I wanted it. Well, everybody knows I like Myka Jelina, and I keep saying that eventually I'm going to have all of her kits that she has through Diamond Art Club. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of black, which there's a lot of black in the background. So, but one of the other reasons I wanted it is because I live in Kentucky. Me and my family at one time lived in Tennessee for 20 years almost. So she just looks like a little cowgirl. So that's why I really wanted it. Okay, so here's all of these. There's some purples. And I know I'm going through this kind of quickly. Y'all, I'm still... Today is January the 3rd that I am filming this. And I am just now today able to take my Christmas stuff down. So I'm trying to hurry up and film this so I can go in there and start taking my tree and stuff down. Because it's been up for a minute. And it's time to come on down. So, alright. I'm going to pull this down to where y'all can get a better look at her. I'm sorry about all the stuff in the background. But like I said, my desk is not made for filming. That's for sure. But isn't she cute? She's so cute. And I know it's like a steampunk kind of thing. But I just think she's cute. And she looks like she could have possibly stepped right out of Nashville. So, alright. I'm going to bring you down. And we're going to look and see. And I hate that I have some blur right there. I have a window. And it's shining through. So, we are looking for, what was it? Number 1, which is 141 AB. And I can already see that there are some ABs in the whites of her eyes. There's some in her lips. Let's see. She's got like these little swirls. I think it's supposed to be like feathers, maybe. Okay, and then she's got some ABs right here. There's a couple over here. So it looks like there's going to be a few ABs in these. I don't know what you would call it. Looks kind of like, I don't know what you'd call it, so I'm not even going to try. And then there's a key hanging right here. But I don't see any ABs in that. With a chain. What is that? Whatever those are. They look like maybe gears. And a pair of scissors, it looks like maybe. Anyway. I don't see any ABs in that. And then, let's see. There's a few ABs right here. And look at her hair. Her hair is so pretty. And then her wings. I don't see any ABs in the wings. And then she's got a tattoo. There's a couple ABs in the tattoo. Like right there. Right in there. Kind of highlighting it. And thought maybe there might be some in the buckle, but it's not. Let's look at the owl. Yeah, there's a few ABs in, can y'all see this? In his claws, talons, whatever you want to call them. There's some right here, looks like in his wing. The whole, what is that? What is it? A monocle? Is that what they call that one eyeglass on a chain? Is a monocle, I think. Anyway, that is all AB with the chain being AB. And then there's some in his feathers. And looks like that's about it. I mean, the bag of ABs wasn't that big, so yeah. That's where your ABs are going to be. All right, so I'm going to put you back up. And again, like I said, I'm pretty positive this is no longer available through Diamond Art Club. So, but on the top of the canvas, it does say, do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club. It does have the color key on the top left, the bottom right. It has your thumbnail and all your canvas info on the bottom. There's all the social media. There's your warranty and their email. But I did notice that the back is not your normal Diamond Art Club feel. I mean, it's not, it's like scratchy. Like, it's not the velvet coating, which is odd. So, I don't know. I don't think it's not no big deal. And it's still going to lay flat for you. It's going to relax by itself. So, but yeah. Anyway, this is, like I said, I got this off the GMA thingy that they were doing right after Thanksgiving. And I'm glad I did because, like I said, I don't think she's available anymore. So, she's been on my wish list, and I'm glad I went ahead and got her. Because I think I only give like $25 for it. So, I mean, that was a huge, huge discount. I don't even remember now what the discount was on all of them. I think it was actually half off. Because the other canvas that I purchased was a $60. I think it was a $60 canvas, and I only gave $30 for it. So I'm thinking it was 50% off. But that's why I jumped on it. So anyway, that is my unboxing of Jules and Vern by Myka Jelina. And the other canvas that I got, y'all are going to be shocked because it's not a Myka Jelina. Y'all, I actually got I got somebody else. So shock. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Do not forget, I do have my Etsy shop, and it's called Just Minder Business, and I sell cover minders, and I have tons of them that I've been doing over just a long period of time, and I will put all my info in the description box, and go check it out. Anyway, I hope everybody has a good week, and until my next video, I'll see everybody later. Bye, y'all.